Hey guys, it is February the 8th, 2025, and we are going to spend the day at the beach. Beautiful Saturday down here in Orange Beach. Temperatures are amazing. Parasail boat there. Lots of people out enjoying the beach today. Hard to believe it's February with these spring-like temperatures. Also hard to believe just a few weeks ago we had a once-in-a-lifetime snow down here of about 8 inches. Crazy. Coastal restaurant there. Beautiful Saturday afternoon. A good friend of mine who happens to be a ER physician had a suggestion for tourists and people coming down to the beach that he would like me to include in some of my videos. And that is simply, when you come down to the beach to enjoy the beach, just bring a life jacket, just a single life jacket, for no other reason. If someone gets caught up in a rip current or gets pulled out, someone on the beach who has to go out to rescue them, if they put the life jacket on, it'll help save their life, because most times the person who goes out to do the rescuing is the one who ends up nearly drowning or drowning. But having a life jacket just on hand, if you have to go out to do a rescue, will save your own life. Pretty good advice. So include that here in this video. Construction of the Phoenix South Point is really coming along. First 3 floors are really beginning to take shape now. Starting to clear out a little bit now. And that's going to wrap up our Saturday here on the beach. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. Orange Beach, Alabama, February 2025.